The words equal and equivalent are sometimes interchangeable in the English language. However, they have two specific definitions with regards to set theory. Two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. So the equality of sets indicates the ideas that the elements are identical. And two sets are equivalent if they have the same cardinality. That means the same size. In example 11, we will determine if the following sets are equal, that is, they have identical elements, equivalent, that means they have the same cardinal number, or neither of those two options. In example A, we're comparing the sets 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice both sets have exactly the same elements. Therefore, these would be classified as equal sets. It's okay that the elements are not in the same order. What's important is that both sets have exactly the same elements. Example B, let's compare the set containing elements 1, 2, 3, and 4 and the set containing elements A, B, C, and D. Obviously, these two sets are not equal because they do not contain the same elements, but notice both sets have 4 elements each. That is, the cardinal number of the first set is 4 and the cardinal number of the second set is 4. Therefore, we say these two sets are equivalent. That is, they have the same size. Example C, the first set contains one element. It is the word 5. And the second set contains elements that are letters, F, I, V, and E. They look similar, however, they are not equal because they do not contain the same elements. Again, the first set has a word and the second set has letters as indicated by the commas. They are also not equivalent. The cardinal number of the first set is 1 and the cardinal number of the second set is 4. So these are neither equal nor equivalent. In example D, we have the empty set as denoted with a set of curly braces and the empty set as denoted with a 0 with a slash through it. Those are identical sets. We're just looking at two different ways to denote an empty set. So those are equal sets. The last example, we have the set containing elements 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the set containing letters A, B, C, D, and E. Obviously, the two sets are not equal because they do not contain identical elements, and they are not equivalent because their cardinal numbers are different. The cardinal number of the first set is 4 because it contains 4 elements, and the cardinal number of the second set is 5 because it contains 5 elements. So these are neither equal nor equivalent. Note, later in this class, when we study probability, we will learn that two events are equally likely if they have the same cardinal number. So a lot of the concepts that we are learning in Chapter 2 will form the foundation for logic in Chapter 3 and also probability in Chapter 11. So this completes our first section for our online contemporary math class, and you are ready to begin your first set of homework problems.